What's up, folks? Science Morning Update, February 24th, Friday. Um, 40-15 is going to be your over-under today, but, really anything below 7 is going to be bearish. We are now below 90. We're close to death here. We could see a reversal today. We could have a cash open bid. So that is definitely a possibility. But right now we're gonna open up below the 50 at 4,098 actually. If we open below 84, that's not going to be good. And if we open below yesterday's low of 74, that's not going to be good. They did front run that 70 level by about 4, so that's a decent level. As I was talking about yesterday, that 50, that 70 level, and then your 54 is your your 49.49 is your 200-day moving average. So that's what I would be watching on the downside. If we lose that, then 25 is your next hit, and then you get down to the 39.01, 39.11 area. So we'll see, but that 25 to 20 will be fairly important for them to defend. If not, then we see more downside. But that's a long way away. That's 80 points. So I don't know if we see that today. I don't know if we do a pre-market down into this area and then bounce again up. We did come into the zone of resistance yesterday somewhat up to 34 and then came back down. Yesterday was kind of a fuck job. It looked like it was just going to go, that we were going to clean up this shit up here and head back up to 40.70, and then it reversed, flushed all the way down, then came back up. But we still closed below, we closed just above this area. So this is going to be your big, the 07 to 15 is really going to be your make or break. So we need above 15, and we are now below 07, and it's looking sad. We do have some numbers coming out in a half hour. Hourly, your pivot, look at that, 07. 40.41, 40.67, 41.01. I love these pivots again. 81's okay, 39.47 and 39.21. I like all these again. I like when they line up like that. Here's your daily. You are below your 50. We're almost on the trend line, which is going to be that 39.50 level, and I think a lot of people will be watching that level. So that's probably going to be fairly important today. We'll see. And then you got, again, quarter, and then that early 3,900. So we will see. Your 260s at 40.46. So that could be a point of resistance. That's 5 above the zone of resistance from the daily. So that would be right about there. And you'd have 40.50, and then so we'll see what today brings. Again, yesterday I was glad I didn't trade because I would have got wrecked. I would have done a PCS for sure, especially when it hit the gap. So again, the days I just recently just haven't had a real good read on this market, and so when I typically don't trade. We'll talk about SPX daily. The 50 on that is 39.80. Here's your trend line again. 39.40 is your 50-day on SPX. We do have cash gaps up here at 40.52 to 40.79. That could be hit. That would be extravagant. Euro is dying like I hoped it would. We are below the 6 level, closed below the 6 level, and we're heading towards that 105 level. It's 105.6 now. If that 407 or 047 breaks, then I think we get back into the dropsies. But we'll see. Maybe we get a reversal. It doesn't look like it now, but maybe these numbers at 8:30 shake this up a little bit. So we will see. But yeah, SPOs are down 30, Dow's down 230, and NASDAQ's down 116. So it's not starting off well. Consumer spending, personal income, PCE index, that's going to be core PCE year over year. This is going to be pretty big. So we'll watch this. New home sales. We'll see if it disappoints hard or if it stays in line. If that's higher, we're toast. Consumer sentiment at 10. And then your lineup, why not just parade the damn speakers out here? Jefferson, Master, Bullard. Bullard's the poop in the punch bowl, so watch out for that one. Collins and Waller. So they're just going to parade them all out today. So I don't know. If you get in a trade, make sure you're in and out. I wouldn't stick around. Reversals could be hard. I don't know. We'll see and see how today pans out and how cash does, and how, again, at 8:30, all those numbers come out, can change everything that we're seeing right now. It's only 30 points down. We could be 30 higher if, something changes it. So we will see. Stay nimble, and we'll try our best to negotiate this market. Happy Friday. I'll be in the room.